Hello and welcome back to my another tutorial. In this tutorial I'm going to share with you how to change Google Meet background. So let's take a look how to do that. You might be have a recent meeting or etc. and you want to blur your background or set a favorite picture or choose a different videos or choose a different animation video or different pictures. In order to do that, for example, if I go over my Google Meet recently meeting, you can see this is my Google Meet and it looks like the blur background. So if you decide to blur your Google Meet background or set a favorite picture or etc., how you can do that? It's really very easy and simple. You need to click this three dot and then you're going to see screen appear just like this. Simply click here, change background, and then you're going to see there is a bunch of background available. For example, by normally everyone might be turn off background, and if you decide to say different background, you can easily choose of them. Here you can see slightly blur your background. This is, and currently I have blurred your background. This is completely blur background. If I click here slightly, this is like a little less blur background. If you decide completely hide your background, you can easily click here and that's going to be completely blur your background. Also there is a if you decide to add your favorite picture in your background, you can easily simply click here plus icon and then you're going to see screen appear here. You can easily choose any of your favorite picture. For example, I would like to choose this picture and I'm going to click here open. Now you can see just now I had set the picture, it's appear in my background. You can see it's really very quite interesting. Also there is a Gif Blur Background. You can see there is a something just like this. If you decide to change, you can easily choose any of this animation background, which is really quite interesting. Also you can choose a specific blur pictures in your background. So within this way, if you decide to set a favorite background or choose favorite picture or blur your background, you can completely do that. If you decide to turn off blur background, you can easily simply click this icon to turn off background. So within this way, you can easily change Google Meet background in your Google Meet meeting. So that's for now. Thanks for watching my video. See you next one. Peace.